Want to create a high-quality commercial ad without expensive software or pro-level editing skills? Imagine crafting a sleek professional ad in minutes, all with the power of AI. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method on how to create an eye-catching ad that not only looks amazing, but also grabs attention and gets results. And to give you a sneak peek, check this out.
Looking for your next adventure? Let Tourify take you there.
Pretty cool, right? That's exactly what we are going to create. A stunning ad that can take your brand to the next level. And the best part, you don't need a big budget or advanced skills to do it. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. So to create an AI commercial ad, we are going to do two parts. The first part is to generate the content for our ad. To generate the content for our ad, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to generate the script. Now we're going to use a powerful AI tool to create the script. So to do that, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to this tool. Now to generate the script for our video, we need to enter these details. First, enter some details about your business or the product you want to promote. Now I'm going to create a tourism ad, so I'll enter a brief about the business. Here we need to mention what action we want the viewers to take after watching the ad. I'll give it as visit website. Once the details are entered, click create content. And just like that, our script will be generated. As you can see, it includes all the essential elements needed for the ad. A hook to grab the attention, a main message to communicate the purpose, and a call to action as well. And not just that, it has also given us the image prompts needed to create the visuals for the ad. Okay, now that our script is ready, let's go to the second step, which is to generate the visuals for our ad. Now as you know, we've got the image prompts from GravityWrite. Based on our script, we're going to use that to create the images. So to do that, first copy the prompt from your image that you want to create, and then click on AI Image Generator. Once you're here, paste the copied prompt into the description box. Click here and choose the aspect ratio you want. I'll choose 16:9. To make sure we get a realistic polished image, we need to adjust a few settings. Go to the advanced options, select the image model, and choose Model B, which is good for realistic images. Next, switch the style to realistic and click generate. And that's it. In just a few seconds, the image is ready. To download it, simply click on the download icon and the image will be saved to your computer. Now you can repeat the same process for all the other images that we need for this video. And here they are. These are all the visuals that I generated using the prompts suggested by GravityWrite. Pretty cool, right? So once you got the images, if you just add these images directly into the video, they'll feel a bit static. So let's take it a step further and convert these images into motion videos. To do that, we're going to use another cool AI tool. So just click the link in the description and it'll take you to Kling. This is the website that will help us turn our images into smooth, professional looking videos. So first click here, click on sign up for free. Now enter your email address and password and click next. Once you're signed in, click on AI videos and then select the image to video option. Next, upload an image by dragging and dropping it into this tool. Once that is done, click on generate, and just like that, the motion video is ready. That's really cool. Now to download it, simply click on this icon and click download. And your video will be saved directly to your computer. Let's repeat this process for all the other images that we created earlier. And there you have it. All our videos are ready to go. So now we've successfully created the visuals for our ad and they look fantastic. Once you have the script and the visuals ready, now let's add another exciting element to our ad to grab the audience's attention. Instead of just using some footage and a voiceover, we can add a real person on the screen for more interactive and relatable experience. Including a human like this makes the ad feel more trustworthy and engaging. And the best part is, we can create a virtual character just by using AI. So let's go to the third step, which is to create an AI avatar. To create the avatar, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to HeyGen. Now this is the tool that will help us create instant avatars for our video ad. If you haven't signed up already, click on Get Started for free and sign in with your Google account. Once you're here, to create the avatar, head over to the avatar section. Here you'll see a variety of avatars to choose from for your video ad. So I'm going to pick this one. So let's click on it. Now you'll notice there are several styles to choose from. I'm going to select this particular style. So let's play and check how it looks. Well, that looks good. To use it, just click on Create. And as you can see, we've got the avatar here. Now to make this avatar speak, we need to add the voiceover. So to add the voiceover to our avatar, click on the script option. And here we need to enter a script. Remember, we already generated the script earlier in step 1 using GravityWrite. So let's go back there and copy it. Here's our script. So let's copy it. Now let's go back to HeyGen and paste it into the script box. Next, we need to choose a voice for the script. To do this, click here. And as you can see, there are plenty of voice options available. So let's go through them and pick the one that fits well.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is what I sound like. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
I'm going to use this one, so let's select it. And the voice will now be added to our character. Click on Submit. Here, enter a name. Then click Submit. And the video will now start processing. So let's open it. So let's play it and check how it sounds.
Looking for your next adventure? Let Tourify take you there. From stunning beaches to hidden trails, we deliver experiences you'll never forget. Taste the flavors, feel the culture.
Okay, it has come out really well. To download the video, simply click on Download. Okay, so now we have successfully created the avatar, and now we have all the content that we need for our ad. So next, let's go to the final part of the video, which is to start creating the ad. In this part, we'll put together all the content and create the final ad video. We're going to do this in 3 steps. The first step is to create an account on CapCut. CapCut is a free online tool which will help us edit our ad video, and if CapCut isn't available in your region, you can try other free tools like Clipchamp, Capwing, InVideo, Video, or even Canva. Now to create an account, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this website. Click on sign up for free, then sign in with your Google account. Next, you need to enter a name for your workspace. So I'm going to add my name here and click open. And there it is. We've reached the CapCut dashboard. Now that we've created the account, let's move on to the second step, which is to edit the ad. This is where we'll put all the footage we've created into a single video. To start, click on Create New and select the video size. I'm going to go with 16:9. And once you're in the editing area, it's time to upload all the footage that we created earlier. First, let's upload the motion videos that we generated. Select all the videos and drag and drop them into the media area. Next, upload the avatar that we created with HeyGen. Open the folder, then drag and drop the video into the media area. Now we've got all the footage ready to go. So let's start editing. First, we'll add the avatar video. So just drag the avatar video and drop it into the editing area. Next, we can overlay the stock videos in places where we don't want the avatar to appear. Just drag the videos and place them on top of the avatar video in the timeline. So let's play and check.
Looking for your next adventure? Let Tourify take you there.
As you can see, the avatar video is hidden, but the voiceover continues while the footage changes. We'll repeat this process to hide the avatar and add the stock videos wherever needed. Once that is done, I've also created an end card for the video, and here it is. I created this slide using Canva. You can also do it easily just by selecting a template. And once you have the end card, let's quickly upload that as well. Drag the end card and place it in the editing area. And now let's click play.
Start your journey with Tourify today.
Now our video is coming together nicely. And there's just one last thing to do to polish it further. If you notice, the avatar portion has a black canvas behind it. So let's click Creative and replace it with a blurred background like this. To do this, first duplicate the avatar video, right click on the video and select Duplicate. The duplicated video will appear in the editing area, so resize the duplicated video by dragging its corners to fill the entire canvas. Next, to move the duplicated video to the background, just drag it and put it under the original video in the timeline. Now the black background is replaced with our new footage. I'm also going to resize and position the original video slightly to make it look better. Next, let's add a blur effect to make the avatar stand out. Go to the effects option, search for blur, drag the effect onto the timeline, placing it over the background video. Extend the effect to cover the entire duration of the video by dragging its edges. And there we go. The background now has a subtle blur and the avatar video stands out beautifully. So let's play and check.
Looking for your next adventure? Let Tourify take you there. From stunning beaches to hidden trails, we deliver experiences you'll never forget.
It's looking great so far. Now let's make it even more engaging by adding some background music. To do this, click the link in the description to go to the Pixabay website. This is a fantastic resource for copyright-free music. So once you go there, go to the music section and search for a track. I'm going to enter travel. Now you'll see variety of music options. So just play a few and find out which one you like. I like this one, so let's download it by clicking on download and the music will be saved to our computer. Now to add it to our video, let's head back to CapCut and drag and drop the music file into the editing area and adjust its length to fit the video. To make sure the background music doesn't overpower the voiceover, go to the sound settings and lower the volume. So let's play the video again.
Looking for your next adventure? Let Tourify take you there.
Pretty amazing, right? It has come out really well. And so now we have completed editing the ad. So let's go to the final step, which is to export the video. Exporting is simple. Click on export. Give the file a name. I'll call it ad film. Select the resolution. CapCut allows you to export up to 1080p for free, so I'll choose that. Finally, click export and the video will start rendering. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of your video. Once it is ready, and the video will be saved to your computer. So let's open it.
Looking for your next adventure? Let Tourify take you there. From stunning beaches to hidden trails, we deliver experiences you'll never forget. Taste the flavors, feel the culture, and live the moment with Tourify. Turn your dream vacation into a reality. Start your journey with Tourify today.
And as you can see, the video has come out really well. And that's it. We have successfully created a professional looking commercial ad from scratch using simple yet powerful AI tools. Now you're all set to share this ad across different platforms and start engaging your audience right away. Alright, before we wrap up, let me tell you about two important tools that we've built to help your businesses. First is GravityWrite, an AI writing assistant that generates high quality content for all your business needs. And then Webspace Kit, a web hosting platform that makes it simple to launch and build professional WordPress sites. Be sure to check them out using the links in the description below. Did you know Website Learners is now available on WhatsApp? Whenever we have a new video, it comes on this WhatsApp channel. So to join us on WhatsApp, just scan the QR code and click this link. Now click on this follow button and that's it. You'll now receive the latest updates on WhatsApp. Now if you want to know how to create an e-commerce website, you can check out this video. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.